Welcome to the journey, a journey of discoveries, a journey of epiphanies, a journey of growth. Don't misunderstand me. It is not linear, not exactly what you plan or expect. What is true, though, is that the journey is peppered with surprises. So notice them, take them in. Don't be so eager to dismiss them in pursuit of the final destination. Allow yourself to be in the present. Stop, reflect, refresh. Or, as I like to say, reflect, redefine, then rise. Because, you see, it's not always about collapsing time, speeding up the process to arrive quicker at your destination. In fact, regular stops along the way might just be the key to getting there faster, sustainably, without burning out. Because who's to say exactly how long the journey is to be? We've got to be in for the long run, at least just in case. Because the path may twist and turn, change direction, frustrating dance of down, then up, changing direction between backwards and forwards. And the days, frankly, might blur with a sense of futility, each step forward met with an equal retreat. Yet subtly, almost imperceptibly, the landscape shifts. What feels like aimless wandering slowly reveals its purpose. The journey itself offering a view unseen if we had stayed still. Or worse, if we had stayed utterly focused on the destination, ignoring anything along the way, as if everything else but the destination is mere distraction. No, 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 no. The journey is crucial. The journey is so important. Learn to love it, and the destination will appear. And should the destination be a little less exciting than we envisaged, at least we won't be downhearted, because the journey would have been fulfilling enough, and the destination just a bonus. Then we'll be ready to tackle the next destination, the next goal, the next path, and then fall in love all over again.